A proud moment for India today as astronaut Shubhanshu Shukla touched down in New Delhi in early hours of the morning after successfully completing the Axiom-4 mission. He was warmly received at the Indira Gandhi International Airport by Union Minister Jitendra Singh, Delhi Chief Minister Rekha Gupta and also senior officials from ISRO. Visuals on your screen showing you the warm reception the astronaut received. Outside the airport, in fact, the atmosphere was electric. Crowds gathered with the national flags, traditional duels and uncontainable excitement, in fact, celebrating the homecoming of a national hero. Many hailed Shukla as a symbol of India's growing power in space exploration. Visuals on your screen showing you the warm reception the astronaut received. In the visuals, you can see Delhi CM as well. Remember, Shukla spent nearly a year in space as a part of International Axiom-4 crew, contributing to cutting-edge research and global collaboration in next-gen space technologies. In fact, his return marks a significant milestone in India's space journey, and the excitement is only just a beginning. Now, he is scheduled to travel to Lucknow as well to reunite with his family, and he's also expected to meet Prime Minister Narendra Modi in the coming days. Remember, he will also be participating in the National Space Day celebrations to be held on 23rd of this month. In fact, preparations are already underway for his next big mission, which is India's much anticipated Gaganyaan mission, which is set for October. And before boarding his flight back to India, Shukla shared an emotional message. And I quote him here, he said, "As I sit on the plane to come back to India, I have a mix of emotions running through my heart. I guess this is what life is, everything all at once." So clearly a very heartfelt message shared by a national icon. So as India looks ahead to the Gaganyaan mission, the nation stands united, proud of its astronauts and excited for what lies ahead in our journey to the stars. In fact, speaking about his son's return, Shubhanshu's father, Shambhu Dayal, also expressed his happiness. Let's listen in.
लौट रहा है तो हमें बड़ी खुशी है और उससे मिलने के लिए हम लोग दिल्ली जा रहे हैं। ये हमारे लिए बहुत ही खुशी का क्षण है और उससे मिलकर जो है हमें मतलब जो है उसको भी प्रसन्नता होगी और हमें भी प्रसन्नता होगी। और बेटा लौट रहा है वहाँ से तो ये देशवासियों के लिए, प्रदेशवासियों के सबके लिए जो है खुशी की बात है। सफल उसने मिशन पूरा किया है तो ये सबके लिए बहुत ही खुशी का क्षण है सब।